ClearCrypto announces our first exchange listing with Bitmart Exchange. This is big time news. The first step or the first exchange of many exchanges with ClearCryptos, not financial advice, but ClearCryptos is definitely going to change the crypto game. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Let's break this down. This is good news for me and you, and for everybody in crypto. This is the captain speaking, and this is the ClearCrypto YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Now, ClearCryptos announces the first exchange listing that you see right here. And this is the information. It's going to be deposit feature on October 25th, 2022. But let me read you at the area right above that. Bitmart is thrilled to announce exclusive primary listing of ClearCryptos. Now, the following trading pair will be available for $CCX, which is ClearCryptos, and USDT. So that means you can swap your USDT for ClearCryptos on the Bitmart platform. Now, please note the available dates for different functions below. Now, deposit feature, trading feature, and withdrawal features. Now, the trading feature starts October 27th, and the withdrawal feature starts October 28th, the next day right there. So this is really good news because Bitmart is one of the top exchanges that we have on the CoinMarketCap, and I'll show you that right now. So let me go to CoinMarketCap, and I'll show you. So Bitmart is probably in the top, there you go, top 25. Let me go ahead and zoom this for a minute so you can see this, and I will show you. Let's see if I can move this over. If I can move it over. Let me see here. Somebody move this down right there. Right. So you see that right there. So Bitmart is 25 when it comes to the top exchanges according to CoinMarketCap. Look at the volume. Look at the volume. Volume is not bad at all. Up 79.37%. We'll look at the chart of ClearCryptos in just a moment. But I just wanted to show you the volume and the ranking when it comes to Bitmart and also cryptocurrency. Now, this is the chart right now that ClearCryptos is doing. And this is the information from T-Hub. I saw this earlier, so I can go ahead and use this. And it shows the upward swing of ClearCryptos in terms of the chart movement. The positive news from the Bitmart could have an effect on this. I believe it does some, and then some of it, I just think it's just doing very, very well. And if you go back and look at some of the buys here, there's been several buys in a row and not that many sales. A lot of buys, just a little bit of red that you see there. But most of this is buys for the last, 30 transactions here. But let me go back over here for a moment. This is big time news. I can't wait to see this. It's just the beginning. This is for what has been presented. It's awesome. It's awesome. I know. And then here are some of the fees that they're going to talk about here. The transaction fees explanation. The transaction fees of ClearCrypto charge an extra 6% trading fees on top of the Bitmart fees for retail users, including 3% directly resent or redistributed to all existing C6 holders on Bitmart and USDT, and 3% for the liquidity pool. Bitmart will take daily snapshots of the users of ClearCryptos holding the balances, and then those will be completed on the basis of T+2. Usually could find the distribution record through the fund's history page. Find out more details on the ClearCrypto page. So, and it says down here, ClearCrypto transaction fees will be canceled at November 27, 2022. So another look at the chart here. You see a green candle right here. And also you also see another little green candle moving right here. This is on the 3-minute chart on about 7 cents. It's getting creeping up to the now 8-cent mark. We hit the 8-cent mark by the end of the day. But this is great news. You see this upward swing. This is first of many in terms of exchanges for ClearCryptos. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. I'm the captain, and this is the ClearCrypto YouTube channel. I'm excited about this because Bitmart is a top 25 exchange based off the information right here. So think about what could be the next exchange. I don't know, but I'm seeing a couple of here that it could be the next one, but we have to wait and see. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.